Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can change your font size on Facebook. So in order to change font size on Facebook, the first thing you'll have to check your internet connection. Also make sure that your application is up to date. Now if you open up your Facebook application and then log in into your account, so this is how the interface is going to look like. So if you notice that all of the font size is actually similar, so unfortunately there's no such way to change your font size on Facebook directly, or there is such a feature as to change your font size. If you want to change the font size, you'll have to change the font size of your devices. So for that you need to exit out of Facebook, go to your settings, and from here you'll need to go to display. Once you tap the display button, scroll down right to the bottom and go to font size. So right over here you have the sample, and in order to make changes with, you can go ahead and drag the cursor towards your right or towards your left hand side, and in order to minimize it you can also drag it towards your left hand side, and you can also select the text that you wish to see, and that's basically how you can change your font size on Facebook. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.